I'm going to show you a little bit about the extrude command and the extrude cut command in SolidWorks. So here I have just something I've made that has a lot of geometry to show you. I'm just going to select this face, make a sketch of really anything. I'm just going to show you a circle. I'm on the base of the object, of the whatever this is. Now features, extrude, and from the beginning we can sketch where do we want the extrude to start from. With the sketch plane selected, it will start wherever your sketch is at. You can decide surface plane, so you can say I want it to start from the bottom, and it'll start from there and go whichever direction you choose or whichever options you have. You can select vertex, say for whatever reason I wanted to start up here. A vertex is wherever you have intersecting planes or lines or whichever. I want to start right there. Now I really wouldn't want to, but just to show you, you can. And then offset, you can specify the offset of, say, 1 inch. I want to start at an offset of 1 inch, and you can also change the direction of that offset. So let's bring this back to sketch plane, and then with our direction tab we can change obviously the direction of it, but also blind, which just specifies the distance of your extrude. The up to, or actually through all, that'll take you to the furthest feature of the part. If this was the furthest feature, it'd stop right there. Up to vertex, you can specify, let's say, stop at that vertex. It doesn't necessarily have to be within the path of it, but it'll just stop wherever it meets it. You can change it to, let's say, this vertex. It'll stop there. Wherever you want to stop that. You can go up here, it doesn't matter. Up to surface, you can specify I want it to stop at this surface, and within line of that surface it will stop. You can specify another surface. Now I think we're gonna have some problems there because it's not a flat surface. Select that one, stop up there. Offset from surface. Now this is still my surface selected, but it's going to stop at an offset of 0.9 inches from it. But with a surface offset from surface, you're still going to maintain the same contour of that surface. So this is on an angle, your extrude's going to be on an angle. Up to body. Now if you have multiple parts, let's say in an assembly, you can specify you want it to stop at whichever body. It doesn't matter. This is one body, so it's not really going to work. And then of course midplane. I think we're all familiar with that one already, and blind for that matter. But midplane will extrude it while maintaining that the sketch plane is in the dead center of it. So there's my little extrusion, which makes no sense at all. So I'm going to delete that feature. I'm going to take that same sketch, and from here I'm going to use extrude cut. Now all the same concepts with extrude are the exact same in extrude cut. You can specify where you want to start from, vertex, offset, whichever. Let's start right there. Specify the distance, or the direction rather. Let's cut upwards, let's cut downward. Let's go back to sketch plane. It's all the same. I mean, through all, we know it'll go all the way through and hit everything in the part until the furthest most feature of that part. Up to surface, let's cut everything from the sketch plane to the bottom side of here. So I mean, all the features are all the commands are the same in extrude and extrude cut. And I got a little error message because that single piece is no longer part of the part. But anyway, that's what you can do with your extrude cut and extrude command features.